So, we're out here. It's Cameron, and then Ryan. It's Cameron, and then we got the Porsche. So we're doing Skyline Drive today, and we're gonna camp up there, cook some spaghetti. That's gonna be our night. That's our Saturday night.
Chicken tenders. Yeah, we gotta have the chicken tenders.
No girls or anything, you know, guys' night. Saturdays for the boys.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay.
So we're just hanging out. Yeah.
That's your excuse.
All right, so here we go. We're headed up right now. So we basically just reached the best stopping point right now that we're gonna get before sun goes completely down. But there's an incredible overlook over here. There's so many good overlooks though. But this is where we decided to stop at this moment. And then just check out that sunset. Look at that. So we've kind of been hauling on the trail. Everything in the back of our cars kind of went airborne, especially the truck here. Everything's flying around.
I just went slow.
Ryan in the MDX. Ryan is just chilling in the MDX.
But the air down tires, huge improvement.
Air down, this man's never aired down before.
Usually I just
on the
whole
washboard.
time. Yeah, but it was much smoother this time, especially that last section with all the dips and whatnot. Just cruising through that. Nice and soft.
This is personally one of my favorite trails just because the whole time you're getting an insane view over the whole valley. That's just nuts. So this is the view above, at the very tip of Skyline Drive right now. So if you walk up to the point, you can see kind of the edge of both valleys. This is Bountiful over here. And then this over here is Farmington. So this is the edge of the world.
I'm at the top of the world, Jack.
Oh my. All right, so next up is to find a campsite wherever that is, set up, cook some spaghetti. Probably over there in that valley or something is where we're gonna camp.
Is that the observatory?
Yeah, that's the observatory over there. Observatory. Huh?
You see it right down there?
What about it?
It looks kind of sick.
Yeah, no, that's where we drive.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think we can go down that way.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yep.
So we've gotten this far now. And we've just learned that we need to get firewood.
We always forget.
Something we did not pay attention to before this. So, found this stick on the side of the road. He's got a Sawzall, so we're just gonna see what we can find along the way. So we got Ryan climbing way down there for that tree that's completely dead.
Born bushwhacking.
But all of these are thorn bushes. And he's still going for it. Is this overlanding?
Overwinding.
Over who?
Oh, who what?
If you're cutting them that small, we're going to be here all day.
This is like a nice fire log. What do you mean?
Wow, that's what she said.
I mean...
So we've collected all the wood, and now we're just headed to whatever campsite we can find out here. Doesn't really matter where it is. Backpack full. So we made it to where we're camping tonight. And we're at Smith Lake, so you can't really see it, but there's a huge lake right here. This is where we're setting up campfire, and then we're gonna make spaghetti right over here. Dope. Ryan made it all the way down, although he's pretty scared about his undercarriage.
You can't really tell.
Yeah, you still can't see the lake with that.
Where's the blowtorch, sir? Oh, Harrison's got one. Okay, might be more accessible.
I don't know where my little handle is.
I think mine's just chilling in my food.
Whatever works.
Only one good one.
Nothing. Broke the lid off my dick. Such is life. Flexster on up.
Oh yeah.
Flexster squeezing this bitch out.
That's gonna be $59.95 in labor.
Goddamn infomercial.
Would rob you.
I think he was saying he was a dealership.
Yeah. The Steelership, man.
Yep, dealership. Precisely.
We're not breaking these bitches in half either.
Oh no, that.
Turning out.
Sit like right here.
Shows the poor side. Run this right down by the fire. I don't know if there's enough room in this pot for the sauce as well.
How many times I made this meal with this exact pot when I lived in an apartment?
Okay.
It'll fit.
Okay, fair enough. Macaroni in a pot.
What a noise.
Hmm. Yeah, what a noise. Okay, so now for the second. Ooh. That looks fire.
Oh, listen to that sound.
Ooh, I got some more.
Wish you got that wet, bro.
Shut the fuck. This is a family channel, bro. Oh.
Brings back memories, flashbacks.
I want to get away.
Should I call her? Oh, dude, you need to get a spaghetti spoon. This is whack. This is not.
Bro, do you not have a spoon? Go get your spoon.
No, I'm not gonna get another dish dirty for you.
Yeah.
Do you have tongs? You
Okay.
do.
Well, do you have anything? Because this is not working.
Yeah, this shot's bodied. Oh, ooh, there we go.
Good scoop.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yep, need to pick me up some of these.
Yep.
Oh.
That's my favorite new thing though. Like, should I call her? Or I saw this, it was this one girl taking her sock off, and then it ended up looking like foreskin, and she goes, "Should I text him?"
This is the real mozzarella. I mean, whatever the fuck, Parmesan.
Perfect eating.
Here's your fork.
Good.
And I'm glad we started the campsite and Ryan said something about you guys being back there. And I was like, hell yeah, we'll see if they're cool.
All worked out. Send it, Steve. Or die.
Be very far.
No. My
Unless you just get, good lenses with them.
yeah.
Oh!
What?
Fear.
Huh?
I said, look at that fear.
Beer. Mmm. Fire.
That wood right there, dude. That piece I just put in, essential to how the fire is burning.
That's neat.
Not unique.
Oh, dude, we still got these two fat logs right here.
Mm-hmm. So I was like, we need to burn more.
We can go back up the trail and grab those boys.
So we're done for the night. We're just sitting around the fire right now. After this goes out, we're just gonna head to bed, and then wake up in the morning, do a little bit of wheeling, and go back to normal lives, back in the city.
Sunday scaries.
Sunday scaries.
Scaries.
Back in the city for you.
Back in the city for me and Brian at least. I like the city though. I got no problems with it.
So good morning. It got real cold last night. Probably down to like 25 or so. Definitely like freezing temperatures. And this rumple blanket did not keep me warm enough. Although I just suffered through it and got decent sleep. But now I really don't want to get out of bed. So I'm gonna throw some sweatpants on and stuff, and we're gonna cook some breakfast and then head up the trail.
Good morning.
Oh, hey.
Ooh. You already cook?
Just finishing up. Yeah, so breakfast scramble.
Little sausages.
Delicious, yeah. I actually
Nice.
filmed a few of the process here for a little TikTok. You know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, inspired me last night.
So this is the lake here that we camp next to. You can see it a lot better in the daylight, obviously. Ooh. Whew. With the alarm too.
Dude, it was time to flip. That was, you know.
So we just finished camping. Fire's already out. So right now we're just packing up and ready to head up the hill over there. Kind of a little steep, rocky, loose section. Not
Might
bad.
have to actually engage four-wheel drive this time.
Just slightly worried about
Didn't do
Ryan's
it
car.
the whole time to get down here. So
Yeah. You'll make it.
MDX power.
If anything, we'll tow you up.
What? I'm not no turd sail.
What?
I don't need a tow.
Okay, shots at ocean, all right. Yeah. All right, let's head out. Right now we got the MDX coming through. A little three-wheel. Just keep going, you're just three-wheeling. Oh, back up and come more to the right. Aim more to the right, more to the right, more, there you go. Solid. So this is a spot that I came through before. Last time I had an extra few inches on my roof rack because of the spacers. But I should be able to make it right under this now. We'll come up to the right a little bit. Will I hear any scraping? Oh no. No, so we cleared it. Heck yeah. Last time I did not clear it that easily. We had to cut branches off and everything. On we go. So we're at the trailhead right now. Just finished getting off the trail. Now we're all airing up our tires and just having some chips and salsa. Yeah. So the special thing about this is you get the strips from Mission, and then you dip it in the queso and then the salsa, and then you got a great combo because the salsa sticks to the queso and it just tastes great in your mouth. It's bomb. So this is it for us. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe. See you in the next adventure.